Get a feel for the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Welcome to the top of the food chain. The Silverado 3500 HD rules the worksite and yet has the refinement to give you a ride that's quiet, smooth, and maneuverable. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth connection, locking limited slip differential, stability control, pass-through rear seat, split bench seat, tow hooks, traction control, adjustable steering